Songbird Baby. Girl, I know we've been kicking it for a while. Got a question in my mind to ask, girl, will you allow? Now me and you are old enough, me and you are old enough to talk about this, what is up with this right here, yeah. You say you impressed with this, so you say you impressed with that. I'm curious. You say you wanna touch your kiss before you let the dog chase the cat. You said when you let your ex hit, you always had a fit, but I know you ain't had nothing better than this. So baby, who's the best? Girl, me or your ex? When it comes to putting down, who's on the bottom of the list? Girl, me or your ex? Tell me who you ruling down. Tell me, baby, who's the best? Girl, me or your ex? Girl, who's on the bottom of the list? Girl, me or your ex? Tell me. Baby girl, I don't mind what we doing, but it's something I gotta mention. Won't you listen? Girl, before we go to the next dimension, before we start what we can't finish, cause I got a picture of you and him. Wanna hit you, both me and him. I ain't keeping me. 1 second later, girl, we kiss. The conversation, that was the end of it. Girl, I know you ain't have nothing better than no, girl, so baby, who's the best? Who is? Girl, me or your ex? Tell me. When it comes to putting it down, girl, me or your ex? Tell me who you ruling now, who you exing now, baby, who's the best? Girl, me or your ex? Tell me right now, girl, who's on the bottom of the list? Girl, me or your ex? Tell me, I wanna know, when it comes to putting down. You insist to me, you're telling me something different. Apparently I'm doing something right, cause every time I bring his name up, you be like, who is that? I don't care about him. I wanna know from